Only 3 videos left after we finish this one. We almost there, family. Welcome to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. In this video, we will be discussing cash buyers, which is step 12 in our wholesale process. If you missed our previous 11 videos, make sure you check them out to get caught up on our wholesaling process that can change your life. If you're a freshman in the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. Everybody watching this should be familiar with the hood classic New Jack City. On New Jack City, there was this crackhead named Pookie. He was the type of client you wanted as a crack dealer because in his mind, he needed the drugs to survive, which meant he was motivated to buy. This is what we are looking for when it comes to buyers. The buyers are technically the people who will be purchasing the houses from our sellers, aka the plug. We just playing the middleman. You might be asking yourself, well, who are the cash buyers? There are people who buy and flip houses, aka fix them up to make a profit, or people who buy and hold the property as an investment. You want your list of buyers to be big because it gives you a better chance to sell at a higher price. You also want to make sure that you find them before you put a house under contract with the seller, because you only have 30 days to sell the house. I recommend finding buyers and sellers at the same time in the beginning of your wholesale process. You can find cash buyers in a few different ways. First, you can have your local real estate agent in your area give you a list that shows you the most recent cash sales in your area, where the buyer's mailing address is different from the property they bought. You can also use Facebook groups and different online forums to find people who are buying local and looking for a steal. The third option is to go to a local real estate investor meetup or auction. Find who is actively looking for deals and network with them. The fourth option is to put up "We Sell Houses" signs in the real world and the internet. This will help a lot if people know you're selling houses. Good thing about cash buyers is you don't have to deal with loans or credit, only proof of funds, which we will get into in a future video. In our next video, we will be showing you how to blast your property to cash buyers, aka telling them you on deck. So let's recap. The cash buyers are the ones who buy the property from the sellers while we middleman the play. Cash buyers are people who buy houses to fix up and flip for a profit or buy to hold as an investment. You want to find buyers before you put a house under contract with a seller. It's 4 ways to find cash buyers. You can find cash buyers by having your local real estate agent give you a list of the most recent cash sales where the mailing address of the buyer is different from the property they bought. You can use Facebook groups and online forums to find local buyers looking for a steal. You can go to your local real estate investor meetup or auction and network with people looking for deals. You can also put up "We Sell Houses" sign around town and post on your social medias that you sell houses. Have you ever heard of a real estate investors meetup? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. In our next video, we will be showing you how to blast properties to your buyers, aka telling them you on deck the right way. But until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.